in my opinion, is the medical field of the future. It's competition, and it's fair and honest competition, and it works. I think medical tourism is something, again, you're out of your comfort zone, but good things can happen. Good things happen. Now, with that, I would recommend you do your homework, do your research, and there's nothing wrong with coming down here, especially if you have to do a lot of medical work, or depending on the size of the surgery. There's nothing wrong with coming down here and enjoying the weather, enjoying the atmosphere, talking to the doctors, and getting the complete picture. I'm speaking only personally. I wouldn't always just read and accept everything you just read. But you come down here and do your homework, but come down here and experience it. Talk to people, and you won't be disappointed. Well, as far as the medical staff, the facilities, the safety, and the standards, actually, I would not compare them to the United States. In my opinion, they're better. Now, why do I say that? Because sometimes I get the opinion, and it's just my opinion, that the medical industry in the States is a business. You don't get that feeling down here. You get the feeling that they're interested in helping you, whether it's your teeth, whether it's your back, or whatever the situation is. You just get a different feeling that it's not only a business. The people down here have to make a living, but it's more than just a business. They are interested in you as a person, and they are interested in their reputation. And when someone is interested in their reputation, they tend to do some nice work.
Dental tourism here in Costa Rica, it's very strong. Well, first, due to the quality of our work, our location is ideal. I believe we have a country with many things to offer for a regular tourist, so those offers can be obviously an advantage for the medical tourism patient. We offer the same great quality work that you can get in the US, where obviously we have a different economic system, and you can get your treatment done for 40 to 60% less than in the US and Canada. That's an obvious advantage. We have people, including myself, trained in the US, especially with specialties done in the most prestigious university in the United States and Europe as well.
Well, root canal therapy in Costa Rica has a high degree, high technological advantages. We do have all the gadgets that you're going to get in the United States. It's very high tech, and of course the price, we're talking about from a 50 to a 70% less than in some states in the US.
I think the main concern of people leaving the States and coming to have work done anywhere in the world, I guess, but I'm speaking for Costa Rica, that's the one I know, is usually that they had never been to Costa Rica, so it's new country, new language. The language is a huge one. Once they figure out that everybody speaks English at the clinic, it goes away. I think it's maybe all kind of prejudice that they have. I mean, is the material going to be as good? Is the service, the professional? Once they hear it, they realize that people are amazingly professional, that they use sometimes even better implants and better quality material that they have in the States that goes away in minutes. And then it's ear to mouth. I mean, one talk to the other one and say, oh my God, I cannot believe, and then you learn how to surf too, and then you met all those friends, and then you come back in vacation. I mean, it goes away fast. Costa Rica it's a very easy country. Equipment is pretty much the same as you can find in the States. That's the first reassuring factor for the people. The team is amazing. Amazing in the sense that they really bend over backwards to make your stay at the same time a medical stay and vacation stay. I've never seen people trying prosthesis at 11 at night because this is the only time that you can do it, because they were at the beach during the day and the lab just popped it out at 10:30 and that was the only place. And it happened not once, it happened several times. And 5:30 in the morning for the last fitting because the plane is at 10 o'clock, that also I've seen. It's so friendly, it's amazing, they're so available. I mean, one needs the other. It's teamwork, first of all. I had never seen, and then the endo guy with the surgeon with the, I mean, it's really teamwork. And so if one needs the other, they call and miraculously 15 minutes later they show up with their little office on wheel. And I've never seen that in the States, ever. You never feel pain. I don't know how she does it, but that's what it was. And so it's been flowing. And I never had problem before, in between, after. Everything that was done is still on. And never hurt anywhere, so I'm down to basic cleaning right now.
We're happy to take all your questions and all your inquiries about your dental needs. So don't hesitate to call us or write us or email us, and we'll be more than happy to help you with all your dental needs here in Dental Land.